All right. So what's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to FXProNow.com, where our goal is to be able to help you to make an extra couple $1,000 a month. Is that how I said it yesterday? How did I say it yesterday? I totally forgot. I'm probably gonna have to go out and look. But what's going on, Brennan? And what's going on, Quinn? So what we're looking to do for you guys is be able to, if anything, let you guys see how I look at the markets. And from there, if anything, you'll probably, learn a thing or two, or probably even catch some pips in the process. Right now, when it comes to the markets, for me personally, we're in a pretty interesting area. Mostly because I'm looking to only focus on where the trends are flowing in a specific direction, and for a lot of the pairs, they're all either in consolidation or they're retracing, which is pretty interesting. So we're gonna see if there's anything new in the markets for now. If not, I'm gonna let you know. If there is, I'm gonna let you know as well. And let's go ahead and just get started. So let's look at EURUSD. So when it comes to EU, like I said from yesterday, price is going to continue to push up, and that's exactly what it's been doing. Last time that we were on, if I'm not mistaken, price was at this level of resistance right here, and it broke through. So I knew it was going to push up since all the way over here. I just didn't want to do any type of counter trading or anything like that. I'm looking for price to get to at least this monthly key level right here, or at least this, might as well just record it, whatever. All right. What's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to FXProNow.com, where our goal is to be able to help you to make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex. So what we're looking at right now is EURUSD. What we called was the fact that price would push to the upside where it would hold this level of support right here. And then I'm looking for price to get to this 113 area or probably this 50% area to hold this level of resistance right here. And then from there, continue to the downside. So I wasn't going to get into this upwards movement, even though I knew for sure it was going to go up. I'm mostly waiting for price to get to this area over here, or even over here, and then from there, continue its way to the downside. What I'll be looking mostly for is breaker structure in the M30, retest, and then from there, bearish engulfing pattern to continue its way to the downside. That's what I'm waiting for on EU. With the speed at which this is going, it'll probably take some time. But I do know once it actually gets to that retrace that we're looking for, we can finally kind of like get out of this area that it's been for months, literally since like November. It's been in this area, just an ugly area to be able to trade with, at least. What the heck, bro? So I just got some update that I don't want to update, and it just messed up my video. All right. So yeah, when it comes to EU, I'm looking for price to push up a little higher. That's about it on this one. All right. So let's go to AUDUSD. That literally got stopped out, which is annoying. We were in this for a good amount of time, caught a whole bunch of pips. And then from there, it started to push up, which is annoying. All right, so let's get into this one. So let's go to the higher time frame. I might as well just record this. And again, hopefully using proper risk management, I would highly suggest. What's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to FXProNow.com, where our goal is to be able to help you to make an extra $1,000 this month trading Forex. What we see here is price literally, which is freaking interesting. I mentioned, hey, Price should not go. When I say go, I mean like close. Price should not close above that blue line right there, because then it would continue its structure to the upside, at least on the H4 time frame. And as we can see, price wicked, had a major wick, and then from there started pushing down. So on one of my pairs, or on one of my trades, pricing my stop loss, but on the other one, it's like all the way up here. Right. And I'm looking for price to continue to the downside, at least to this key level right here at 0.69, and continue its downwards push. It's an obvious downtrend, right? And there was periods of time where price would find some level of support, and then from there have a hard time to actually push through. This one has sort of like a bell curve to it. Found a level of support. And I'm guessing this is the level of actual support right here, right? And it's in the same exact area. So hopefully it breaks through this area and has a nice flow to the downside, as opposed to just, the slow stuff that it's been doing. But I guess we'll see. So let's go to the H4 time frame to see if there's anything going on with this. So we had a nice candle close on top of this level of resistance, which is interesting, but I'm still not convinced that this is going to push up. I'm looking for this to continue to the downside, but what's interesting is there are high highs and higher lows forming on this H4 time frame. This is a lower high, and we do see a level of support being held here. And then this is a higher high, technically. So I guess we'll see. I guess we'll see for the continuation of this, wherever it's going. But as far as the H4 time frame, I'm guessing this is the time frame that we should focus on, because the daily time frame isn't going to tell us nothing. It's too consolidated. And when it comes to this, it's not even like it's about 100 pips. Let me see how big this range is. Yeah, 95 pips. This is nothing serious. Honestly, when it comes to AU, it's kind of an annoying pair to mess with. But I'm still bearish on this one based upon the higher time frame, like the daily. It's been an uptrend. I mean, it's been a downtrend for a while, so that's why I'm just continuing to sell this. But we are at this interesting area where it's found a level of support. Let's see if it'll continue to the downside as time continues. All right. Nothing more I can be able to say about this one. It is just kind of interesting that this level of support is being held here, which is kind of the same level of support that's held over here as well. Yeah. This found it as a level of resistance, so I wouldn't be surprised this is actually a key level right here. Maybe. Let's put on the line chart and see how this looks. Nah, nothing serious. Well, maybe. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it. See what happens as time continues. But I'm not gonna say anything on AU. All right. So UJ. And again, hopefully you're using proper risk management. All right. So H4 time frame, and what we said yesterday, hey, this is gonna push down a little further. I'm looking for price to get to about 50%, and then from there continue to the upside. I guess we'll see. So H4 time frame. How much would we have been up? Only like 20 pips. Yeah. Let me see something. Higher, high, higher, high, higher. This is the retracement there. Let's check this out. Let's record this. All right. What's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to FXProNow.com, where our goal is to be able to help you make an extra $1,000 this month trading Forex. So what we're looking at right now is UJ, And with UJ, clean, man. Clean. Point A, point B, point C, 61.8 in confluence with this 109.8. Like, how did I not see this a while ago? Holy crap, this is so easy. What the heck? I didn't see this. That is wild. All right. What the heck is going on with my mouse? Un momento, people. Let me plug in my mouse. Come on. What's going on here? I have to plug out my mouse because anytime that my daughter comes in here, she wants to play with it. And now it doesn't seem like it's working. All right. So let's see where this may lay. Yeah, 113 flat. Okay. So I'm convinced for the continuation of this upside move, even though this is making technically lower highs. Technically. Okay. So I'm going to continue my buys on this until. All right. Point A, point B. We have 38.2 right here, right? I don't see it stopping at 38.2 and continuing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to place a buy limit at 50%. So I could be able to catch this move. So I'll probably put it at 110 point. I probably put it 0.8 flat because I don't want to miss this. 0.8 flat is a little higher, right? So 50%, as you can see, is in like almost perfect alignment with a monthly P level, which is pretty interesting. I'm going to put on something real quick. I want to just see something. I don't really use this too often, but might as well just put it on here. Might as well use it. All right. What is this telling me? So as we can see here, we have volume all in this area right here. So this is where I'm looking for price to hold. And I'm happy that I put it at 110.8. So 110.8, having my take profit at 113 flat. As far as my stop, I'm going to have to figure out what my stop is going to be because I'm definitely not putting it all the way at 109. 109 point, let's say 3 flat. How long is that? That's 150 pips. No, I don't want to put it that much. So I'm going to put one at 150. I'm going to put one at 50%. I wouldn't be surprised price may actually go to this 61.8 as well. That's a difference right there of like 30 pips based upon where I'm going to be placing mine. So I may put a second one at 61.8 as well, which would be 110.5 flat as well. For my take profit at 113. So I'm looking for this to continue its way to the downside a little bit more from where it is right now. It's at 15 to it's another 35 to how much is it? Like 60 pips left as far as this push to the downside. And then from there, I'm looking for price to break through that level of resistance that it's formed. And going from there, this right here is price getting tired. This right here is the actual retracement. This right here is a confusion. This right here is retracement based upon this move. This right here will be the buyers coming back into the market because they're going to see that price is going to hold its level of support. That's everything that's happening right now. Okay, so price is not getting tired. this is going to be continuation of the upwards movement. Yeah, I really wish I caught this one right here. I'm actually mad at myself that I didn't see this one. All right, so let's see. I'm gonna be placing buy limits either way, so it doesn't matter like as far as like when this is gonna happen. But this is what I'm going to be looking for it to take place. I wouldn't be surprised within this week. Today's Tuesday, probably Thursday. Thursday will get to that point. Friday will be consolidation. Sunday, more consolidation, probably break a structure. Most likely break a structure on Monday. Tuesday, the continuation to the upside. That's what I see. Let's see how this goes. So, let's say continuation starts Tuesday. Yo, when this computer goes slow, it goes slow. What the heck? All right. Come on, bro. One moment. All right. What am I doing? Continuation to upside Tuesday. Let's see. All right. So at any point in time that you liked anything I was saying, if you found great value, what I would highly suggest, go into fxpronow.com. That's my company, and what we do there is our goal is to be able to help other people be able to make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex. We keep things simple, keep things fresh, and we have a group chat that you can be able to get started with. We have a Facebook group that you can be able to get access to as well. And then also we have a YouTube channel where we go on live to see if there's anything available in the markets. We call it This Week in the Markets. And then we also have, if you've gained great value from what we're putting out there, of course, that you can be able to get started with as well. I can be able to teach you literally everything that I'm doing step by step by step. And also you're going to be part of a community that's close-knit of people that really know what they're doing as well. So if you have any questions, go ahead and contact me on fxpronow.com. Let's get it. All right. So GJ, and I'm proud of the guys in my group that caught this move, even though for me personally, I was reluctant to catch this move, but it was an obvious move. So I'm happy you guys caught it. Okay. What's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to fxpronow.com, where our goal is to be able to help you to create an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex. What we see here is the fact that GBP is still in this area, and I'm pretty sure it's going to stay in this area for a little bit. I wouldn't be surprised price is going to hold a level of support at this point right here, and then from there start pushing up again. Probably go to this this area over here and then find a level of resistance, and then keep on doing that until it breaks out to the downside. So honestly, I'm looking for this to find its highest point. I want to catch this as high as I can be able to catch it, and then from there sell and just hold that thing until. So I'm like I was saying, I'm proud of our team that went ahead and actually caught this downwards push. This was a great catch from point A to point B to point C at 61.8. And then from there, you guys should be in profit about, oh man, that's a move. 180 pips. Good stuff. I was reluctant. I was not trying to get into any type of moves in this area, but 180 pips, that's a move. I like that. So what's going on, Michael? So what we're looking for is for this to break out to the downside, and it may take some time. I don't see it breaking through right now. I'm pretty sure there's going to be another level of support that's going to hold. After that level support, it'll start pushing up. Probably even break this area right here, and then act like it's going to continue it to the upside, but it's not. This is going to hold its structure on the higher time frame, daily and weekly time frame, to continue to the downside. Period. All right. So let's see. Man, I'm sure this area right here was annoying. Annoying as heck. It looks like it's pushing to the downside, but this thing was like this on the lower time frame. Sheesh. I'm sure this was annoying too. Yeah, I wasn't even trading here. So, yeah, I'm looking for this to continue to the downside. It's just I'm not entering anywhere in this. I'd want to catch this higher, not in this area right here. If you guys caught it at the top, the other time, could you look at gold? Yeah, I'll look at gold. I haven't looked at gold in a while. If anything, I wouldn't even mind trading gold right now because none of these pairs is giving me anything I want right now. You know what? That's what I'm going to do. Anytime that any one of these pairs, not anyone, but the fact that literally none of these pairs are giving me anything that I personally want to trade as of yet, except for UJ, probably by the end of the week, I'll go ahead and go to Shannon's getting mad. She's like, man, I want another 3K day. But yeah, anytime that these pairs are acting like ugly, and I haven't found a decent trade for like 2 weeks, which is freaking annoying. It's getting annoying now. But I'm not just jumping into anything because I've learned over time. I'd rather not get into anything and make no money than to just hop into anything and lose money and then get frustrated. And then when there is something available, I miss it because I'm already frustrated, if that makes sense. So yeah. So again, guys, like I'm just looking for price to get to this area right here. If price gets into this area, oh my God, I'll be so excited. I'll be so excited to be able to get into this this push to the downside. But if you entered at 61.8, congratulations to you, because at least you got something. Because right now, this area is dangerous. This is not the area to enter in at on anything. So I'm gonna look on the H1 time frame, see what's going on. Lower lows and lower highs. Yeah, I'm not interested. I am not interested. All right, so nothing I can be able to say about GJ. I'm actually going to talk about gold right now. Let's see what gold is showing. I'm not going to even do anything on this. Leave. Let's talk about gold. You did cash it at the top. Are you still in that trade, Shanna? All right. 113, boy. 113. This went to 113. Oh, man. 1300. I went to 113. Bro, I called this back in August. Hey, price is going to go to 1300. I think I called 1400. But price is going to push up significantly. And it freaking did. Let's start this. Ooh, this looks beautiful for the sell. What's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to FX Pro Now, where our gold Our goal is to be able to help you to make an extra $1,000 this month, or yeah, this month, but a month, right? So what's pretty interesting is back in August, I said, hey, listen, gold is going to break out of this level right here and it's going to shoot to, well, back in October, you can literally see the line. Mind you, I have not looked at gold for a long time, because once I caught this push right here, then I caught this push right here. I literally got out and then I started focusing on other things. But what's crazy is I made this line back October 1st to this point right here. How many pips would I be up if I just stuck to my analysis from the beginning? This right here is 16,000 pips. How long though? 154 days. So that's 100 pips a day on average. But clean though, just chilling, you know, on your bed. That'd be beautiful. All right. So I'm not even gonna front. This looks beautiful, like right now, which is interesting. We do see, boom. This is a very nice drop. Then we have this area right here. Boom. I'm guessing, boom, back to this level right here. But it seems as though this level of support may hold. Or not, because the S&P 500 is actually going to keep on pushing. Oh, so this is actually what's good with being around a great circle. So I was with Ty Lopez on Sunday, and he was with one of the top managers of BlackRock, and he mentioned that the next what is it called? Recession is going to be in 2026. All right, so 2026, put it on your calendar. 2026, that's the next one. Every 18 years is what he said. But like, honestly, guys, like, that's why I believe like that if you have the opportunity to be around somebody that's making more money than you, somebody that's doing way better things than you are, pay that fee, man. Pay that fee to be around that. Pay that fee. Pay that fee, man. You're going to get insight. You're going to get wisdom. Oh, check this out. I'm guessing I have this on the daily time frame. Point A, point B. You know what? I wouldn't be surprised if this goes back to 50%. This goes back to 112. I mean, why do I keep doing that? It goes back to 1263, 1264, 1265. Wow. 1265. Let's see this go to 1265, 1265. And then from there, find a level of support and then continue its way maybe up to that 1400 that I mentioned back in August. I can't wait to look back at that. At that first video, I was like, hey, gold is going to start pushing up. Who was following me when I mentioned, hey, gold is going to push up to like 1300, 1400? Who's following me at that point? Yeah, Sally, how'd you teacup? The hell's teacup? What's teacup? The teacup told you that? Cause that'd be that'd be kind of funny. That'd be kind of funny, man. So let's see something. April, May. I wrote this a while ago, April, May. So I did say it was going to go to 1454. Didn't get there all the way. But what's interesting is, look, guys, like I drew this on the monthly. We have like point A, point B, point C. And we have point A, point B, and then crossing out. And as we can see here, price is broken through this area. Now, understand, like this is probably nothing. You know, by all means, price could probably do something like that, you know. But one thing I do know is there is absolutely no coincidence that price shot up after the last recession. Literally, like after the last recession, you can see it right here, November 2008. Now, when was the last, you know, whatever it's called, August 2008, but it actually started happening a little prior, right? August 2008, but this says November 2008, and then it went from $750 all the way up to about $1,900. How much is that? About 180% growth. It had a retracement. That's literally all it is, right? It had a major retracement. Yeah, we're gonna do it from here. Had a major retracement, sort of like Bitcoin, right? Had a major retracement, and if anything, I'm gonna put up a different number on my fibs that I usually don't put, but I wouldn't be surprised it actually hit that area. This 70.7%. Let's see if it hit that. Clean, pretty clean, right? Level of support. Now I want to go ahead and, so this is stuff that you don't see when I'm like doing stuff. This is just stuff that I do by myself. I come up with these crazy analysis that probably mean nothing. That probably mean jack nothing. Yo. Right now, I'm coming up with a fund to replace this MacBook for another MacBook or something else. Because I don't know if MacBooks are really the best computers to get or not. Anyways, point A, point B, point C. That 1460 looking kind of nice, man. But we do have an obvious level of resistance right here that's being knocked on. Hello. Hello. And we are having higher highs. I mean, higher lows. Higher lows. Higher lows. Then we have point A. Let's see how far this one went. To the same area. We have the 78.6. Man, look at that. And what's so crazy, when I was doing my first monthly and weekly key levels for gold, and if anything, Naib, if you're on here, you'll remember this. I literally said, maybe I should short gold right now. It was literally right here. Literally right here. And I didn't short it like a freaking punk. And then I was like, oh, I'll wait for the retrace. No retrace. And I said, maybe we should buy gold over here. I did, but only caught this little thing. After it did this, you know, I was out. It was crazy. And then it literally went all the way back. It was interesting. So, if anything, I should probably put some daily and H4 key levels on this. But 78.6 seems to be, or at least passing 61.8 seems to be the retracement that this follows pretty often. It has major retracements. And as we can see here, it had another big push, right? And it'll probably be a slow push back, but at least to 50%, I'm pretty sure of this one. Hopefully you guys saw everything that I put together, be able to do what I just did right now. But I think this is actually a pretty nice entry. We do see this right here, kind of like this right here, where it's boom, boom, boom. Okay, so this is the same thing. 1, 2, kind of 3. Came back and then boom, boom. This is the last time that price was having some type of consolidation. Shit, maybe you can go to this 1230 area, or maybe it'll hit this area right here. One more time. I'm gonna make a line here. This is August 19th. I think we'll be on the cruise. I think we'll be on the cruise. I think we'll be on the cruise at the time. Let's see. I keep on putting these lines and stuff like that, and then I don't remember what the heck I put them for. So I'm gonna write it. So price bearish to 70.7%. Influence with trend line. So did that help you in any way, Michael? Oh, so you remember that? So there were people. I don't sound like I'm crazy. Did that help you in any way, Michael? What was your analysis on this? I'm curious. Oh man, my back. I talked to God, not tea leaves. What? 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 When did I mention tea leaves? All right. So I greatly appreciate your time, guys. If you have any questions and about like how I came up with this analysis, something like that, I have a website. It's called fxpronow.com. We have a whole system to be able to help other people to be able to make an extra $1,000 in the next couple of months. And if anything, go onto our website, check out our Facebook, check out our group chat, check out our YouTube channel. Every single Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We see if there's something available so we can get money. I was showing you a 5. No. There's a little more there. We can get money. All right. So, you have any questions? Hit me up. All right. So, get off of this. So, really appreciate your time, guys. A lot of buys. I was looking for the big retracement. So, what was your analysis on this? I'm curious, Michael. Now that we're done. Oh, and also, like, if anybody knows Kadi, she just bought her first new car, like, herself, which is a great accomplishment. So if anything, go ahead and let her know. Congrats. Let me just start doing this. So yeah, what was your analysis on this, Michael? I'm curious. So what was this to? Yeah, it will keep going up, but the fact that it pushed back the way that it did, I think is going to have another push back down before it continues going up. I think. I don't know. I don't know, man. But I'm almost sure it's going to. Let me see something. Support, and then it broke. Let's see. If anything, I'll do a little bit more now. She's off social media right now. I don't follow anything she does on that thing. I don't follow anything anybody does on that thing. I rarely even use it myself, and I should be. You know, that's what I'm supposed to be doing. She's not here with me, so you have to go and tell her. Guys, what am I doing? So 1265, I'm gonna put it at 1265. So yeah, any questions before I get off of this thing? This thing, man. She says she's taking a break. What does that even mean, bro? What does that even mean? All right, gold. Bearish 1265. I'm taking a break from social media. Oh my gosh. 1265. All right. Influence with what was it, like a monthly or weekly key level? Short. Boom. 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 Any other questions, guys, before I hang up on you? Before I click. Say USD. Yeah. I'm pretty sure it'll find a level of support. Once it finds that level of support, then continue to the upside. Maybe. I'm going to look at it real quick again before I get off with you guys. XAU USD. What made you believe that this will go? This will continue right where it's at right now. As far as there was a level of support there, what made you believe that it will hold that level of support? So you bought at 1285. Let's see in the lower time frame. Yeah, we do see a level of support at 1285. You're right. I just see this as great opportunity right where it's at. As far as from point A to point B over here, we see that it's dead on at 50%. And if anything, that same level of support, I'm going to go to a higher time frame so we can get rid of a lot of this extra stuff. I caught it at 301 for the buy. Let me get less candles. Less candles, man. So 1280. I'm gonna call this the level of support right there. Yeah, we're at the same point. So 1285. Can't see your screen if you're trying to share. I'm not trying to share. Let's share now though. All right. So we do have a level of resistance right here at the same point. That's a level of support. Man, it'd have been beautiful to catch it over here, though. Let's see. Let's see something. Sheesh, it was at this for a long time. Let's see. Well, 0.70. Ever since then, it did not have anything. This holds 38.2, but price doesn't just go to 38.2 on gold from what I've seen. Price continues. And 70 is right here. Kind of an influence in this area. Let me take this off before it tries to. Yeah. I don't know, man. Either way, um, either way, we would have caught this probably at the best point. I don't know. I guess we'll see. I'll see how this goes. We're going to be on here tomorrow. We'll do an update on gold tomorrow as well. All right, guys. Yeah, and here's the thing: being the fact that as far as USD 30, I have not been following that at all, and I don't plan to for a little bit. Here's the thing: being the fact that this thing passed the last high, it's going to continue pushing up. It's that market is a whole nother animal that I'm excited uh, to be around for a while. Just right now, not right now. So if you have any questions, go ahead and put it in the chat. But if not, I'm about to go do something else. All right. Greatly appreciate your time, guys. And I will speak to you guys soon. anything, I'll probably look at gold a little more before I don't know, do something else. All right, I'm going from there. Peace.